Today I will demonstrate how to use the disease search module on Trial Explorer. For this demonstration, I will search breast cancer in the query. Trial Explorer will provide a list of the names of diseases for you to select and the amount of studies associated with each disease category. To create a new search, press the navy blue reset button. If you would like to share this search, press the magenta share arrow next to the reset button. To download your search as a CSV file, press the turquoise green download as CSV button. After selecting your disease of interest, you may view timelines, charts, graphs, and maps based on your custom filter. Underneath the Overview tab is the Contacts tab, which will provide the name, NCT ID, phone number, and email address for each contact listed in the specialty. Underneath the Contacts tab is the Interventions tab, which will provide the name, description, NCT ID, and the type of intervention. To learn more about Geminid systems and other Geminid systems products, please visit www.geminidsystems.com.